Yes, so my name is Kshitij. I'll be going to University of Hertfordshire, and Go Global helped me with applying to the university and getting into it. Also, I'll be going for September 2020, which is next month. One of my friend who went through this Go Global office, he suggested me to go with Sir Ivory because he will be like a mentor and he will guide me on every single step, right from applying to applications till appointments about my police clearance certificate, medical, BFS, everything. And they gave me a set list of documents to be prepared. They gave me they told me what I have to be prepared about. They helped me with preparing for my interview as well for the university. They took around 4 mock interviews, before I actually had my interview. I cleared it. Also, Ma'am Avisha, she arranged my visa file, and she helped me with the entire procedure, which was supposed to happen at BFS, and it exactly happened that way. The process went smooth. We had our own hurdles. I had my own hurdles, but however, Sir was there always to encourage me and to support me. So thank you. A big thanks to Google.